This is a prophecy for Manipur because there were great attacks upon godly children and persecution has been taking place in Manipur. So God is not silent. God is going to pour his wrath upon Manipur because they have killed his people. They have touched his people. Those who have destroyed godly children. So God is sending his vengeance through two angels. So these two angels are bringing earthquakes and floods. They have touched my people. They have destroyed my people. They have killed my innocent people. So God is going to send his vengeance towards Manipur in these two forms. One is earthquakes and heavy floods.
ప్రవచనం నెరవేర్పు. ప్రవక్త మణిపూర్లో భూకంపం గురించి ప్రవచించగా నెరవేరిన ప్రవచనం. మణిపూర్లో వరదలు. ప్రవచనం నెరవేర్పు.
I'm prophesying this prophecy in this all-night prayer, May 31st, 2023.